So the federal government is filing a lawsuit against Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. This is not a case of Akpabio versus Natasha anymore. It's not a case of the federal government versus Natasha. They are fighting now on behalf of Akpabio and Yahaya Bello. And they say after that Senate quarrel, what happened for the floor of the Senate, she called Good Channels Television for one interview where they get for Channels Television in Abuja. And in that interview, she accused Godswill Akpabio of trying to buy her. That's one. She also accused Yahaya Bello of being in the plot to buy her. That's two. She also said that they plan to buy her outside Abuja. They wanted to buy her in Kogi State so that it would be like a normal attack. That's three. And then, you know that lady we concerning her, Dr. Sandra wanting. She claimed that in a voice recording that she has between her and Natasha, saying Natasha thought she Godswill Akpabio buy one girl, they call use the girl organs for Godswill Akpabio's wife. So all those things put together, the federal government is calling it high-level defamation. So they have filed a suit against Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. Godswill Akpabio is going to testify in that suit. Yahaya Bello is also listed to be part of the people that will testify. Let me show you this news.
The federal government has filed a criminal defamation charge against suspended senator representing Kogi Central, Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, over claims she made during a televised interview on April 3rd. During the interview, the senator alleged that Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello were involved in a plot to assassinate her. The government accused the senator of making imputation, knowing or having reasons to believe that such imputation will harm the reputation of a person. The offense is cited under Section 391 of the Penal Code, Cap 89, Laws of the Federation 1990, and is punishable under Section 392 of the same law. Godswill Akpabio and Yahaya Bello are listed as complainants and are expected to testify alongside other witnesses. Akpoti-Uduaghan was suspended from the Senate in March for alleged misconduct, maintains that the charges are politically motivated and part of efforts to silence her. I mean, we saw the...
Anyway, Section 392 of the Nigerian Constitution says, if you defame a person, you will go to prison for 2 years, or you will pay a fine, or the two of them together, which means you can go to prison and pay a fine. Now, I watched those videos when Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan came out to accuse Godswill Akpabio. She was expecting a lawsuit. Natasha is a lawyer, so she knows when she's laying an accusation that will land her in court. So she has been expecting it. So I'm sure she has prepared for this. I'm sure she would have kept her evidences already and she's going to present them in court. But for her to say these things are, this lawsuit is politically motivated, no. Anybody you lay that kind of accusation against go court. Unless the person don't get money to pay a lawyer. Once he has money to pay a lawyer, we go to court. Even if not true, the person will still go court. Because if you not go court, people will just know it's not true. You understand? So the person will try to clean up their image. So the person doesn't even need to be a politician, whether not a doctor or banker. If you lay this kind of accusation against anybody, they will go to court. What I don't understand is, why is it the federal government that is filing this suit? Godswill Akpabio not get a lawyer? Or is it filing in his capacity as the Senate president, so it becomes the Senate president's office against Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, which is not supposed to be so? This is a case between Natasha versus Godswill Akpabio. So if there's going to be a lawsuit asking the court to charge Natasha for defamation of character, that should be coming from Godswill Akpabio, or probably Yahaya Bello, or the people involved in that accusation. So what I don't understand is, why is it the federal government that is filing the suit? I they see the lawsuit here. I know they see the arm of the federal government we file. But anyway, it's all right. The case is slated already for hearing. Let's wait and let the hearing begin. Then we'll talk about people testimony, the evidence is where everybody can come court. But case don't start, ladies and gentlemen. Natasha has been waiting for this case, and she knows that this case will start. And now the case does start. So lawyers, start to collect your appearance fee while going to court.